I really don't even know how to broach this subject with you, but it's your bedroom. Hey guys, how are you today? I want to talk to you about something. It's kind of private. And as your friend, I really don't even know how to broach this subject with you, but it's your bedroom. Your bedroom. It's a disaster. What's up with that pile of laundry over there? And these sheets, ugh, they're kind of gross. A little tattered. All right, guys, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about me. I really need to get my life together and turn my bedroom into a sanctuary, because that's what your bedroom should be. And I don't think it's just me. I think we're all kind of guilty of like having, we all like when we move into a house or whatever, you get beautiful new linens and you make your bedroom really nice and pretty with all the pillows and all the good stuff. But then somewhere along the way, we all start to like, you take off a pair of jeans, you throw them over here, you take off your shoes, you kick them over there. The kids come and start coloring something that stays on the floor. I'm giving you way too much information about my personal life. Whatever your case may be, we all need to have a place in our home that is our own personal, zen, relaxing, enveloping space. And your bedroom is that space. And so I want to talk to you today about turning our bedrooms into the sanctuary that they should be. They should be a place for us to come after a long day of work, sit down, relax, just like decompress and sleep and recharge our batteries. That's what a bedroom should be. And I gotta tell you, for me, my bedroom is like, because I work from home, sometimes at night, I do a lot of work at night because I'm in this kind of weird situation where I used to have full-time childcare, now I don't. So I'm like, stay-at-home mom, but I run a full-time business. So I do both of those things, but I'm West Indian, so we always have more than one job, and I guess that's what it is. So at night, a lot of times at night, that's the only time I have to do work, but I don't necessarily want to be sitting at my desk. So I'll sit in bed with my laptop and I will, edit photos, correspond with customers, like, check my email, do all those things in bed. And then like when I'm exhausted and I can't keep my eyes open, I slam my laptop shut, put it next to my nightstand and go to sleep. And I usually don't even go right to sleep. Then I'll go on Instagram, scroll for another 20 minutes, and then stick my phone under my pillow. Bad idea. Bad idea. That is not relaxing, Onika. So, it's not relaxing, whoever you are watching this, because you probably do it too. What we need to do is make our bedrooms the beautiful, gorgeous, zen-like sanctuaries that they should be. So, you start from the beginning. You start with the thing you spend the most time in or on, and that's your bed. So our beds have to be nice and comfortable. You have to have the right kind of pillows. I personally have my decorative pillows, the pillows that I use to make the bed and make it look really pretty, but then I have the pillow that I sleep on. And my husband and I sleep on totally different kinds of pillows. His pillow is like a brick. It's like a cinder block. It's like this heavy, thick, firm, hard pillow. My pillow is like flat as a pancake. You can't buy one of these in the store. Like this pillow has to be like, you have to buy a pillow and then abuse it till it's like demolished. That's what I like to sleep on, because I don't like anything that like elevates my head too much, makes my neck hurt. So that's a story for another day. But those are the pillows we sleep on, but those are not the pillows I use to make my bed. Those come out when it's time to go to sleep. So you start with the right kind of bedding for your bed. I have a king size bed. So with a king size bed, you can use king size pillows. So I think I have, the way I make up my bed is I normally have, well, I have different ways I make up my bed depending on the ensemble that I have on my bed. So the way I'm gonna be making it up now with the ensemble I'm putting on my bed is going to be with, it's 4 king size pillows, and sometimes I'll alternate and I'll have the 4 king size pillows and 3 Euro squares going across. There'll be 3 Euro squares across the back, and then the 4 king size pillows laying on top of that. I'm really into pillows. Sometimes it's a bit much. I think it stresses my husband out, but it comes with being with me. You get a lot of pillows. So Pillows are really important. The right types of linens are really important. So then after we get past the bedding and the way we make our beds, then lighting is also really important. You need something soft and relaxing to kind of help mellow you out and unwind from your day. And then another thing that's really important, I feel that scents really set a mood. I know in my office I like to have orange and citrus and invigorating type scents, and in my bedroom I like to have calming, soothing type scents, and that's my preference. So I, in my bedroom, will have either a candle or some sort of reed diffuser that has a nice floral rose garden type of scent, because that to me is beautiful and I like that smell. I also really love Lily of the Valley. There's even, you can get linen water. I have Lily of the Valley linen water. And you spray that on your sheets, which is so nice. Like you spray that on your sheets and then you get into bed and you're like, oh, for a second you feel like you're in a hotel until one of your kids starts screaming. And then you realize you're not, you're in your house. You gotta go help this kid. And this is why we need these sanctuary spaces, ladies. This is why we need this, because they stress us out. Anyway, so now we have our bed, we have the proper linens, the right kind of pillows, we've setting the scene and getting the right mood with the right kind of scent, and then that's it. And then we should be ready to relax. And let's try to put those phones down. I'm talking to myself as much as I'm talking to you. So, having a bedroom be a sanctuary space is really important. It's a nice thing to do for yourself. And I also would invest in a really nice pair of pajamas just to treat yourself. So I think for January, which is a great time to buy the bed linens because there's tons of white sales in January. So invest in some nice new linens, some nice fresh blankets, and enjoy. I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.